So friends, the basic integration of the template with the CodeIgniter framework was done successfully. But there is a caution. The caution is, friends, it might not happen with every template that could be integrated in such a way. I will show you how to check and how to define your custom paths in order to integrate any of the template with this framework. So in order to proceed further, let's check the concept of header and footer first. So in here, the section which is highlighted is the header and highlighted section in the bottom is the footer. So ideally what happens is, as the header and footer section never changes, so header and footer section are in a separate file, so that if we want to make changes in header and footer, we can make change in a single file and it would be reflected throughout our website. So let's try to do that. In order to create an header and footer, we will directly go to view, then try to edit index.html, which is directly inside the view folder. We will click on index.html, and if we go through to this particular template, then we can easily identify what is the header section and what is the footer section. So this template tells us that the header section starts from here and header section ends here. So we will copy all the content from the beginning of the file and till the header section is ended, and copy this file and create a new folder, in fact, by the name of include. Why inside view I have created a include folder? This is a good practice in order to keep header and footer, or in other words, the common things in this include folder which needs to be included in every web page. So I will click on this include and right click and create a new file inside this. The name would be obviously header.php. The extension of the file would be PHP. Now there is no such restriction that we won't be able to paste the HTML type of content inside a PHP file. So we will simply save it. Why the extension is PHP? Because the default extension is PHP and we need not to worry about the extension anymore. Alright, next thing would be the footer section. So we will navigate down the line to this file index.html and we will check from where the footer section is started. So footer section is started from here and ended. Obviously we need to take till the end of the file, and again inside the include folder we will create a new file by name of footer.php and we will paste all the content in this file and we will close this. In order to make you understand the folder architecture, let's also check that. Under XAMPP folder, under htdocs, applications, view, now there is an include folder, and inside include folder there are header and footer. Alright, so let's get started and start using header and footer now. I will simply do this. I will remove index.html and in place of there I will write include, then alright, so header and footer is loaded successfully, and in order to get started with something bit more, there is this welcome underscore message.php view already with us, so let's try to use it. Well, it's just for experimental basis. We will change it furthermore. I just want to show you the impact of header and footer and why there are two files. Now inside header and footer I have placed welcome.message and it would be placed just between header and footer. Let's try to execute our code. Well, now it looks pretty good. So our header section is perfect, our footer section is perfect, everything is looking perfectly aligned and everything is good.